Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am sharing my 90 magnetic polishes haul, a tutorial on how to use these and get different effects. I'm going to use cat eye polish after 8 years. Let's start. I bought all of this from Born Pretty store and these are regular polishes that air dry. You don't need UV light for it. This magnet has a silicone wand. I bought this little magnet to use for smaller nails. I also got a dual-ended magnet to get the cat eye and gemstone effect. These magnets are quite strong. Joanne Ferry is a green 90 cat eye polish with green and gold hues. Cat eye polishes or magnetic polishes have iron shavings in them, and that is why we see them reacting to magnets. We can create different designs and effects just by positioning these magnets in different directions. I'm going to shake the bottle and reposition this magnet so you can see that effect again. Are you noticing the push and pull effect of the nail polish with this magnet? It's beautiful, right? Like Jade has purple and bronze hues. These polishes also give a black hole effect on nails, but it would require someone else's help in positioning the magnets, and I am alone right now. Mischiefs have purple, green, and blue hues. It is a beautiful color that has unique color effects. See how many shades this cat eye effect has? Snowlight Cat Eye has pearl and silver hues. It is a great color that works best on nude polishes, but I will be trying it on a black nail polish today. To use a magnetic or cat eye nail polish, you need to apply your base color first and let it completely dry. In my case, I'm using black nail polish as my base color. Then I am applying Like Jade on my thumb. Now I'm positioning a magnet around my nail to give it a gemstone effect before it dries. This effect is more visible under flashlight or sunlight. I will show you that too in the end. That's how it looks dried under the normal room lights. Now I'm using Snowlight on my index finger. Make sure to do a little thick coat than your routine, as the effects are much better with thick coatings. Now I'm positioning the magnet on my index finger a bit diagonally for 30 seconds. Remember to put it as near to the nail as possible, but don't let it touch the nail. I will show you these nails under different lightings as well, so don't worry. I applied Like Jade on my middle finger as well, as it is my most favorite color. Wow, see? The effect is so pretty with this nail polish. I can't stop staring at it. I am applying Joanne Ferry on my ring finger. I will keep the magnet over it more diagonally than on the previous ones to show you variations in the effects. I am also placing this magnet on all the sides of my nails because I like the gemstone effect. Now, I'm going to apply Mischiefs on my pinky finger. I also have switched on the flash to show you guys how cat eye will look under it. The flashlight makes my nails look like real gemstones, right? I'm applying this magnet more diagonally here as compared to the rest of my nails for the real cat eye effect. I will keep it here for 30 seconds. Wow, it's breathtaking, isn't it? Now I'm just going to go over all sides of my nail for the gemstone effect. Oh my god. The next step is to apply your favorite top coat over it once it has dried. Then we have to go back with the magnet once again before the top coat dries. And once it's done, you are done. So that's how my nails look under the flashlight. It looks like a gem, right? Ruby gem or something like that. These are the under flashlight as well. This is normal room light effect. Normal room light. Washroom light. Now this is sunlight. It's beautiful, isn't it? To be honest, I am just in love with this nail polish so much. Don't you think that it's amazing, right? Please let me know what do you think about these because I really want to know. Because some people said that it's not very special and I'm just, hyping it up. So let me know, okay? Bye bye.